Hi everyone, Tridib here from TGT and welcome to another watchOS update video. Apple has released watchOS 8.5.1 to the public. This update came 2 weeks after the public release of watchOS 8.5. This is basically an add-on update for the previous watchOS 8.5. Along with watchOS 8.5.1, Apple also released iOS 15.4.1, iPadOS 15.4.1 with battery drain issue fix. I have made a separate video for that. Apple tvOS 15.4.1, HomePodOS 15.4.1. Also on the Mac side, Apple released macOS Monterey 12.3.1 to the public. I have a separate video for that as well. watchOS 8.5.1 came in around 74.3 megabytes in this Series 5 Apple Watch. I was on watchOS 8.5 previously, so it's a very small update. To check for the update, make sure your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone, then go to the Watch app, then General, and then to Software Update, and you should see your update available here. If you have the watchOS 8 beta profile installed, then you need to remove that to update to this version. Also, make sure you update your iPhone to iOS 15.4.1 first and then try to update your watch. Otherwise, you may not be able to update your watch. watchOS 8.5.1 is supported for Apple Watch Series 3 to all the way up to the newest Apple Watch Series 7. So you need to be able to update to this version if you have any of these Apple Watch models. To check for the new build number, you need to go to Settings, then General, and then About. And here you can see the version number is 8.5.1 and the build number is 19T252. Let me focus a bit here. As I mentioned before, this is a pretty small update and doesn't seem to have any new feature in it, even though Apple has mentioned in the update description that watchOS 8.5.1 includes security updates and bug fixes for your Apple Watch. So maybe Apple has fixed something in the background which they don't want to mention about. Sometimes Apple do that when they don't want to publicly acknowledge an issue but solves that quietly at the background. And that issue may be related to the first charging issue for some Apple Watch Series 7 users. Some Series 7 Apple Watch users were reporting that their watch is not first charging or it stopped charging after a certain percentage even when using an Apple proprietary charger. Once the watch charges to say 50% or 95%, it stops charging and then starts charging again. This cycle repeats after 10 to 12 seconds. Also, some users were reporting that after updating to watchOS 8.5, they cannot use a third-party charger anymore to charge their Apple Watch. Hope this update contains fix for all these issues. I personally didn't encounter this issue in this Apple Watch Series 5. Do tell me in the comment section below if this update solved the charging issue for your watch or not. Also, if you go to the Apple Security Update webpage and look for watchOS 8.5.1, you can see it says this update has no published CVE entries. So we do not know anything particular about the security patches Apple applied in this update, but it is pretty obvious that Apple did patch something in the background. Now before I proceed, here is a quick request to subscribe to TGT. This is a dedicated channel for the Apple users and I post important Apple related videos here regularly. So do subscribe to get the latest updates from Apple. Talking about the performance-wise, watchOS 8.5.1 is running without any issue so far in this Series 5 Apple Watch. In fact, watchOS 8.5 was also good enough for me. I'm using this watch for more than 2 years now and it is still running nice and smooth. The app performance is also fine, no charging issue either. As I showed you earlier, I always use the MagSafe Duo charger to charge my Apple Watch overnight. The battery life of watchOS 8.5 was good. The battery life of watchOS 8.5.1 is also as usual for my watch. I am not facing any excessive battery drain after updating. Let's check the battery health. Let's go to Settings, then to Battery. Let's find the battery here and now check for the battery health. And as you can see here, it's 81%. After almost 2 years of daily usage, this battery health is quite acceptable. With this battery health and always on display, I usually end my day with around 35% battery life left in this Apple Watch Series 5. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 3 or newer, you can update to watchOS 8.5.1. It seems to be stable. Also, if you are a Series 7 user, then this update might fix the charging issue for you. After updating, do mention if watchOS 8.5.1 solves any of your existing watchOS issues or added some new issues. At this point of the year, we should not expect any new feature for watchOS 8 anymore. We are looking forward to WWDC in June, where Apple will unveil watchOS 9. That's it. If you have found something else with this update, do write it down in the comment section below. Do like, share, and please don't forget to subscribe to TGT. I'll see you in my next one. Peace.